Happy Children's Day, children. I wish you all really a very happy Children's Day. I hope all of you know why Children's Day is celebrated. Children's Day is celebrated on the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. How many of you know really what his virtues? He has got really a very good idealism. He is very simple in his life and he's fond of books. You should have seen his house. It's full of books is what is told. And that's a virtue of him. I wish at this Children's Day that all my children also carry the same virtue. Start reading books, start loving books, and enjoy the book reading. So this is a small message I would like to convey to all of you on this Children's Day occasion. Maintain books. That is, it's just not buying the books, but just open and read them. You really love them because the knowledge which a book gives, I think nobody can give you. So I wish all my children would start reading and gathering of books, and maybe you also can donate books on your birthday. This is my small wish from Quantum Leap School, and I wish my children to follow this. And I would like to end up saying that Happy Children's Day, stay safe, stay happy.
My dear children, a very happy Children's Day to all my dear students. We at Quantum Leap School feel blessed to serve the future of the nation. Every child, that is, every one of you, is a miracle, with each one of you having your own ways to make this world a better place. My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you all. For us, it's also a day dedicated to love. We believe every child, every one of you brings more love into this world. On this auspicious occasion, I wish all our children to always keep climbing with good heights in life. And wherever you go, simply be the best human being around. Once again, a very happy Children's Day to all our lovely children out there. Enjoy your day. God bless you all.
అందరికీ బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఓకే, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. పిల్లలు అందరికీ కూడా ముందుగా బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మనం బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని ఎందుకు జరుపుకుంటాం అంటే మీ అందరికీ కూడా తెలుసు అనుకుంటా, పండిట్ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ గారి జన్మదినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా మనం బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాం. ఎందుకు అనగా ఆయన పిల్లలు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. సో పిల్లలందరూ కూడా చాచా నెహ్రూ అని ఆయన పిలుచుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి ఆయన జన్మదినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నవంబర్ 14వ తేదీన 1889వ సంవత్సరం నుంచి మనం బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. సో అందరికీ కూడా బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Hi children, hope you are all doing good. I know that you are eagerly waiting for celebrating Children's Day. You know, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November every year. That is the birthday of Chachaji. Childhood is all about fun, freedom, joyfulness, etc. So I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hello beautiful angels, hello beautiful sunshines. Happy Children's Day to all of you. You are the future gems of this world. You are the future champions of this world. I'm so proud of you. So stay good, stay safe, do good. Lots of love from Delhi.
नमस्कार बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं। आप सबको बाल दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। देश में हर साल 14 नवंबर का दिन बाल दिवस के तौर पे हम मनाते हैं और ये मनाया जाता है। क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि इसी दिन भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की जयंती होती है। 14 नवंबर का दिन जवाहरलाल नेहरू को समर्पित किया गया है। क्यों इस दिन को हम बाल दिवस कहते हैं? बच्चों के प्रति उसका स्नेह प्यार के लिए हम ये जो दिन है ये बाल दिवस के तौर पे मनाते हैं। जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी सब समय यही कहते थे कि बच्चे ही देश के भविष्य है। तो देश के भविष्य को मेरे तरफ से बाल दिवस के बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
हेलो बच्चों, बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं आप सबको मेरे तरफ से। आज चाचा नेहरू का जन्मदिन है। चाचा नेहरू को बच्चे बहुत पसंद है, जैसे हम सबको आप लोग पसंद हो। तो उनके जन्मदिन को हम लोग बच्चों के बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। सो हर साल उनका जन्मदिन हम लोग बाल दिवस के रूप में ही मनाने को उन्होंने कहा था, इसीलिए हम लोग बाल दिवस इस प्रकार मनाते हैं। और इस शुभ अवसर पर एक छोटा सा 2 लाइन की बातें बोलना चाहता हूँ। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग के आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो हम सबको लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे। थैंक यू बेटा।
Hi children, happy Children's Day to all. Children saw the best creation of the God that spread happiness in every season. Once again, happy Children's Day to all.
Hello children, wishing you all a happy Children's Day. Do you know, childhood is a beautiful and a wonderful phase of everyone's life. In this phase, learning and fun is most important. There is 2 aspects, innocence and happiness. Innocence is changed into maturity when you grow older, and happiness is always we can have it. I pray and I always wish you all to be happy forever. Once again, happy Children's Day. Stay blessed and stay safe at home. Bye children. God bless you.
Hi children, I wish you a very happy Children's Day to all of you. On this occasion, I just want to give a small message to all of you. No matter where you are, no matter how you are, no. The matter is how you are, where you are after completion of your studies. So my sincere suggestion to all of you is that I want to see all of you in that heights. And keep your parents' names, keep your parents' dreams live true. Thank you.
Children are the flower of the garden and they make the world beautiful garden. And so children, please enjoy each and every moment of your life. Happy Children's Day. Bye.
Hello children, how are you all? I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children are the best creatures of the God. They spread joy in every season. Enjoy the day.
How are you all? See, this is a very weird moment right now. Why? Because we are celebrating the Children's Day without the children. On this occasion, I would like to share one thing with you, that every day I'll be coming to the school with a lot of tensions. But when I'll start the class and when I'll see your faces and I'll start smiling, see, you guys will make my day. So this day I am celebrating without you. It is very difficult to digest, but we hope for the best. Within coming few days you will come to the school and we together can celebrate these moments. Happy Children's Day, children. Keep smiling.
You are the future of our nation. Your thoughts build our nation. So always be positive. Cherish each and every moment of your life. Happy Children's Day to one and all.
Hi guys. Hello everyone. This is Chaitanya, your science teacher. Well, today we are celebrating Children's Day. But I am really so sad. Why? Because you are not with us. The simple reason is what? Whatever we are trying to make you all pull out you in all the way, the only reason is what? Saas bhi kabhi bahu thi. We are also children once upon a time. So the moment you are enjoying now, once upon a time we had the same time. But the time has changed and lot of things have been come true, and the phase is completely changing into transitions. Whatever, children are the glorious life. That's a very beautiful moment of your total life. So simply I can say, Happy Children's Day. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Enjoy your childhood life and enjoy it. That's it. Thank you.
Hi children. So once Jawaharlal Nehru said, you are the buds in a garden, so you should be lovable and you should be nourished. So happy Children's Day everyone.
ఈ రోజు మనం బాలల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం కదా. నవంబర్ 14 మనం బాలల దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకుంటాము. ఆ రోజు చాచాజీ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ పుట్టినరోజు మనం బాలల దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకుంటాము. సో మీ అందరికీ బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Wishing you all a happy Children's Day. On this day, I want to wish you all to be very happy throughout your life. You will never become bored carrying your childhood memories. A smile of a child is the most precious thing for the parents. So, I want you all to smile always, be happy. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day once again.